Hey everyone, it is time for a Tara's must-have. What's a Tara's must-have? Well, it's an item or a collection that I have curated just for you that's pretty and practical and purposeful. And this one is so on point for where we are in the season, and that is for a tea set, a tea service, where we've included the tray, the cups, and of course, the star of the show, the beautiful teapot. All right, so where can you find it? It's over at temp-tations.com. We have different patterns, we have different colors. Head on over there and check it out. I'm gonna feature just a few of them. This is our pink stripe. Never before have we done a tea service in our pink or gray stripe. You've been absolutely loving our gray pattern, our stripe pattern, our pinks. Perfect for the season. 10 ounce, look at how adorable these are. 10 ounce little teacups, love that. The, of course, star of the show, that gorgeous teapot, nice oversized handle here. Beautiful pour spout that makes it super easy to go ahead and pour hot things. Remember, you can put this in your microwave. This piece can actually go in your oven as well. And then, of course, where are you gonna keep all of these great pieces? Well, we've included that great, what we call a serving tray, a deep dish lidded, a way that you can cook right on this piece in the oven up to 500 degrees, the dishwasher, the fridge, the freezer, the microwave. I know, it's amazing. 6 whole pieces, and what I love to call your tea service. $34.95, excuse me, $34.95 over at temp-tations.com. And again, stripe, romance, egg hunt, floral lace, all of those great patterns that you've been loving. You're definitely going to want to check it out. It's super special, exclusive, only available over at temp-tations.com.